Hello everyone, welcome back to LTE Education. So today we will be generating the payroll periods. So first of all, we will go to SPRO. We click on SAP reference IMC. Then we will go to payroll. Under payroll, we will be selecting our country for which we are generating the payroll periods. So in our case, that is India. Then we will go to basic settings, payroll organization. Then we will click on generate payroll periods. Period parameter we have already defined. It is a payroll frequency. So we have created the period parameter as 99. Date modifier, we will be selecting the date modifier as a standard modifier. So we are generating the payroll periods for India. So the financial year is starts from April and ends at March. So financial year is 2022. Start date of our financial year is 1 April 2022. Payday rule. So now we will be determining the payday rule. So there are a lot of options available. Like there are four options available. Whether to add the number of days to the period start date or deduct the number of days from the period end date. Adds the number to the period end date or monthly only the number of days will be used as the payment date. So in our case, we will be selecting the option one, adds the number of days to the period start. So based on the payroll rule, we will be adding the number of days. So suppose the period rule will be adding the number of days to the start date. So in our case, start date is 1st of April 2022. If we add 29 days to it, the date would be 30 April 2022. So for every month, the 29 days will be added to the period start date. And on the 30th day, the employee will be paid. Now determine period number. So since our financial year is starting from 1st of April 2022, then we will be determining this period number as 1. So for May, it will take the period number as 2. For June, it will take the period number as 3, and it will goes on. So now we will be also selecting this icon so that the data will be saved in the table. So now we will execute this. Now you can see the period is starting from 1st of April 2022 and the period number is 01. For March, for May it is 2, for September it is 6, and it goes on. And the date range is 1st of April to 30th of April, 1st of May to 31st of May, and the pay day will be the 30th day of the, like the 29 days will be added to the start date of the month. So now in April case, the payment day will be of 30 April. And now if you goes on to February 2023, now in 1st of February, we will be adding 29 days. So it will goes to 2nd of March 2023. So that's all for today. So if you like our video, please
channel.
subscribe.